Alright, y'all. Got a 2019 Chevy 2500 HD. We're going to do a cabin air filter in here. So you can see what I'm doing there. Open this one. Open this one. There's 4 T10 screws that hold it in. Glove box. The whole glove box assembly has to come out. There's 2 up here. 2 down here underneath. Gotta kind of fish for them. There. 1 over here. Alright. And then just give this a little tug. There's clips. See the whole thing comes out. And back in here, this little plastic door. Just kind of a pain in the neck to get out of there sometimes. Hopefully you can see it. I know I'm blocking the light right now. Pull these. Let's see if I can switch. Yeah, no. We just pull the tabs. There's a wiring harness. Wiring harness that gets in the way. I don't know if you can see it right there. It's a real pain in the butt sometimes to get out. And just pull that dude out. Ooh, it's dirty too. So we definitely need to change that. Alright, we got the new one. Gonna put this bad boy in here. Oh, gotta turn that off. That in there. Sorry, I'm so shaky right now. I was trying to get in there. I'm gonna line up these small tabs on the bottom. Gotta kind of fight that wiring harness. Push the wiring harness to the right. That guy in there. I can't even see what I'm doing. Set you right there. Hard to do it. In the butt. Snap those in. Snap this guy back in. Screws back in it. That's good. New cabin filter on a 2019 2500 HD.